Newsletter time. Okay, first thing Monday morning. I don't know if I taught this last week, but I wake up and I go, it's newsletter day. So I get ready for the day. Hello. I'm going to get him rubber shoes or something. He clinks in every video. He was literally just sleeping. Like, he sleeps all the time until I start vlogging. And he's going to go grab his baby, and he's going to come in here, and he's going to lay down. Yep, that's what's happening right now. See? He's going to clink around some more. And then he's going to finally lay down, and then I'm going to turn the camera off, and then I'm going to write the newsletter, and he's there. So there's that. Anyway, so I was editing all the videos last week, and vlogging to me is so boring, but it's also because I'm pretty much reliving my life when I watch them. I'm like, I just did all this. Why do I have to put this on a video? But you guys seem to like it, so I'm going to keep going with it. I'm going to try to talk less, but I don't know. So here I am talking. So anyways, I'm in a great mood today. I'm going to write the newsletter. I love writing the newsletter. It's like my highlight of my week. And then it's over. And then I'm like, now what? Now what do I do? No. So I write the newsletter. And then let's film some videos this week. I'm going to film a ton of videos. I know I've been saying that, but I think I've got it all figured out now. I've got like all the patterns down and all the things down. So now it's like time to actually film the tutorials, and then hopefully we'll get like 3 or 4 months worth of videos that I can send over to Tyler, so then I can start working. We're getting bling in, and I'm starting to put it in jars, so hopefully we can show you that this week. And yeah, no coaches meeting this morning again. Dustin's staff meeting has been moved to Mondays at 8, so usually we would go to morning. Yeah, so anyways, everything's different. So I'm not like, oh my gosh, we didn't do our coaches meeting. So we had to figure out a new time to do that. If we're going to keep doing that until quarantine, like we got to figure out, maybe when quarantine is over, we'll start doing them again. But we definitely need to do them because it helps. But it helps more when our kids like have a ton of places to go, because we need to be on the same page of like who's taking them where and who's doing this and who's in charge of getting them the things and all the stuff. So other than that, working on the bathroom for Dustin and working, and then me working and trying to just stockpile videos, good videos. That's my goal this week. So let's do it. So I'm uploading the promo graphics, and I've been waiting for this day. I am obsessed with the Cinco de Mayo SVGs. So if you remember, go check those out. They're so cute. This one says turn down porque, and I love it. And then our planner covers are coming out. So like, and then it's Tarzan Week, which is the last classic character, and we move into princesses. And I am so excited because the princess page is going to be amazing, and all the new SVGs are going to be amazing for the princesses. But this is a good week, guys. I'm excited. I got to make this newsletter really good. So I just met with one of my friends on the phone, obviously, because we're social distancing. And we've been wanting to do a fundraiser for her adoption. Their family is adopting. And we were going to do like this live craft-a-thon where she was going to come bake in our kitchen. And since obviously social distancing, we can't do that. We just met about some things that we're going to do. And we're going to do a whole YouTube series on May 1st, starting May 1st. Every single day there's going to be a video that I'm so excited about, because Kate is absolutely amazing baker, okay? You guys know I'm a good crafter, not the best baker. She's an amazing baker. She's also a Disney lover, okay? So we're combining forces, and she's gonna be baking every single day, and I'm gonna be doing a tutorial every single day in one video. So you're gonna get one topic with a baking and a crafting tutorial every single day, okay? So we're gonna have like giveaways during it, and I'm gonna come up with fun things to give away. And then we're gonna have raffles and a fundraiser. So be ready for that. For the next few days, I think I'm going to try to sneak in a little bit of their story and introduce who they are, but we will be introducing who they are in those videos so that you guys can get to know them and why we think that they should be able to adopt. And adopting costs a lot of money. And sadly, as much as so many people are for adoption, it just can cost so much money. And so I want to help try to take that burden off of them. And not that it's a burden, but I just want to come alongside them and use my community to come alongside them if we can, and help them take some of this off of their load so that they can focus on growing their family and having just more time to focus on how they can establish their home and be ready for this next step of their life. What am I doing?
You ready?
What are you doing? I'm just building my montage.
I guess so.
Sounds so weird, huh?
He sounds weird?
No, shaving it.
And the hair goes the other way, Bri.
What?
You gotta go this way.
There's a lot in your ear. Quarantine fun. Go like down.
Late night, what is it? Like 11:30?
It's 11.
11?
Yeah,
There
please
you
don't
go.
want her. This is what happens when we all share one bathroom.
You should have seen when Bryce shaved his head. It was
How about
like,
that
punch, punch, punch. I like that.
What is it?
A half goatee.
I don't care.
Look at no. I'm gonna give you